Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to revert camera settings back to default. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So first you need to go to settings. After that you need to scroll down and click general. After that, you need to scroll down again and click transfer or revert iPhone. Click here. After that, you need to click revert here. And now you need to click revert all settings. And that's all. This is a very easy way to do. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone. See you later.